5, 5, 5.
Good job, good job. The second go round. I think this will be the last two teams coming up. Good job, good job.
0.
Somebody's got to watch gate.
No.
No time.
No.
That was my one.
Had a good run going.
All right, boys, we have the next team, Jim and Robert.
I just want a car!
Put on there, Robert, get 10 minutes, 10-second penalty for getting no time.
Give me a trouble. Oh my goodness.
Boy, make it fun.
I know how. We need to make it funny.
Yeah.
Where's that clown? Ready?
Okay, it's supposed to be Robert and
Jim and Robert.
Jim and Robert. Timer ready?
All right, flagger ready, timer ready.
All right, this is Jim and Robert.
Seven, 7, 7.
She had to go. Woo, good stop.
Good stuff.
She had to go cheerleading with her daughters. Oh, nice.
There he goes. Got him. There you go. Good teamwork. Good teamwork. Got him.
Right there, looking right at you. Bring it on the left. Bring to the right.
3 catch up 4. Good. Got him.
Hit it! Hit it!
Keep going!
Get 6! Get 6!
Go, Robert!
No! The wrong way! Roughing the cattle!
Good job, boys. Time is 1:23:16.
Oh, come on. That was whipping the cattle. That's roughing the cattle.
Good
All right,
job.
next up, last team, Robert and Rhonda.
Robert has been announcing, so he's got 3 back to back. Robert and Rhonda, and he's saying Robert and Katrina. So he might have 4 back to back.
Most of them have like one that can unflip, you know. Yeah.
Hey, how do you say that? Chico Diego? 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 How? Go ask Helen real quick. How do you say that?
Rider ready, timer ready.
Okay, flagger ready, timer ready.
Miss. Miss.
Excuse me.
8.
Oh, behind you!
No time. Sorry, guys. Don't back your horse up.
Robert, do we have another team? Did she say? Who?
Robert and Katrina.
Kim and Katrina?
Are we done? One job?
I think so. Just one more person.
Okay. I'm gonna hose my horse off.
Oh, did she? Oh, she wants to announce it?
No.
How do you pronounce the name?
It's Shinko Teague.
Shinko Teague.
Shinko and then Teague, like baseball league.
Gotcha. All right. Hand me that back, baby girl. Shinko.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm over here at the booth for about another half an hour.
Okay.